Ain and Ghain. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the previous lessons, we have covered 17 letters different forms. Today, with two more letters different forms, Ain and Ghain. Both have same forms, and the only difference in the dot. Let's see letter Ain different four forms. This is the isolated form of Ain as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write Ain in the beginning of a word, don't curve it down, but keep it straight because it needs to be connected to another letter after. Letter Ain, middle form, allows to connect before and after. So it will be like the beginning form, but draw a short straight tail exactly on the line before it to help any letter to get connected. The final form of Ain, we draw a short line before it and attach it with Ain as isolated form. The short line will help any letter before it to get connected. If you understand well letter Ain different forms, it will be easy for you to know also Ghain because same forms and the only difference will be in the dot. Let's see letter Ghain different four forms. We know the isolated form of Ghain as we studied in level 1. If Ghain in the beginning of a word, it will be same as Ain, but with dot on top, allows to connect any letter after. If Ghain in the middle of a word, it will be same as Ain, also with a dot on top, allows to connect any letter after and before. And if Ghain at the end of a word, it will be same way of Ain, allows to connect any letter before. Now let's practice how to connect and read some letters, but we'll mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Ain, Ba, Ra. Let's connect these three letters. First, we'll check the relation between Ain and Ba. If Ain in the beginning of a word, it can connect to any letter after. And Ba, middle form, allows to connect any letter before. So both can be connected. Second, the relation between Ba and Ra. If Ba in the middle, it can connect to any letter after. And Ra at the end can connect to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Abar. Abar means across. Another word. Zay, Ra, Ain. Let's connect these three letters. First, we'll check the relation between Zay and Ra. If Zay in the beginning of a word, it cannot be connected to any letter after. So Ra, middle form, by default, will change to be initial form. Second, the relation between Ra and Ain. Ra in the middle form cannot connect any letter after. So letter Ain, final form, by default will change to be isolated form. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Zara'a. Zara'a means planting. Okay, now I will show you some isolated letters and you try to form two words. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. Ain, Ra, Dad. Try to connect these letters to form a word. Ghain, Alif, Ba. Try to connect these letters to form one more word. All right, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.